turn it off when the basket is full like this. The next thing I'm going to do is settle the coffee, which is just this motion. And by settling the coffee, you're just kind of settling it down into the basket, and you're enabling to be able to fit another gram every single tap that you do. You can fit another gram of espresso in the basket. So now that's kind of settled down a little bit, and I'm going to dose a little bit more coffee into the basket. Next thing I'm going to do is level off the coffee in the basket. And when I'm doing this is I'm not only creating a nice, flat, even surface on the top of the basket there, but I'm going to be pushing around the coffee in such a way to kind of evenly distribute the coffee throughout the basket. Alrighty. The reason that you do that is to, again, evenly distribute the coffee in the basket. If you have any area of the basket where there might be less coffee than another area of the basket, it creates a path of least resistance. And the way the water is going to flow through there, it's going to create an extraction flaw, and it's going to end up in your cup of espresso.